All right, Hochi. Let me mention this. I like XAF a lot, and I like all the things that we're able to achieve real fast with all the modules that we have. So there are some times when I see a developer from our team, a client or a student, that they are doing this feature or this task, and I see that they're doing something like, in my opinion, getting away of SAFs or redoing the wheel of SAF. Or actually, if you see there is a lot of code for it for the task, I start like we need to. I like to try to stay in the SAF world and do the things as simple as possible. So in this case, we're going to do a scheduler in a pop-up. So the user wants to have the scheduler in another screen just to work on that separately and want to have it in a different window that is maximized and so on. And we went let me say this back, we went the route of show view and we were trying, I saw in the code a scheduler ribbon controller and I saw more things that it should. And I have been uh, guilty of that one as well in some other play in other moments that I'm trying to do things and I say, okay, I'm gonna add this, I'm gonna add that one. So if you think about, I always say that SAF gave us simple action, single choice action, pop-up action, parameterized action, and like everyone says, like there are only like 4 actions. It's like it covers 99% of everything you need to do. So in this case, remember the other part is the scheduler looks like only the control, but the scheduler is a list view as well. It's a collection of events. And basically, if we see our action here, show a schedule on a pop-up, and I click on it, you will have just the scheduler in a pop-up. And then you see it takes the whole screen, and then you can cancel, you can work on this, you can do anything you want. So the idea here, and I will come back to that one, was just a pop-up action. Just a simple pop-up window show action that we create our object space and we create a list view. And we maximize it so it takes the full screen. So every time that I need to create a view in XAF, and we have been doing this for a long time, I go to these articles, ways to show a view. Right here, you will have simple actions, you will have the model, you will have the mains, create list view, detail view, create dashboard view, the main methods. You will have, if you want to show a view before an action, and the latest one, the from context, that basically will be show view in pop-up, frame set view, it will have show view from common view. And one thing that is important, always check your version, because if you go to like 23.1, you will not have show view from common window. So right here, you will find the answer when you're trying to navigate, create a view, or doing anything you need. All it's really, I think the documentation has gotten so good lately, especially in
Yes.
these beginner topics, let's call it like that, or in these fundamentals, that right now is like come back to here, read it again, and you will find the answer. And of course, always send us questions, like email us as well. But in this case, when you realize that the scheduler control is just a regular list view, and then you realize that you can open any view based on that article, one simple solution for this feature of I want to have the scheduler in a separate window, not in a separate tab, but actually something that I can send to another monitor, send to another window, and then work with that from there. Just do a pop-up action and you're good to go. All right, SAF 101, but still valid, still powerful. See you guys in the next video.